Lost your Instagram backup codes? Can't log in because of two-factor authentication? You're not alone. It happens to a lot of people. In this video, I'll show you all the real ways to recover Instagram backup codes. Even if you're logged out, even if your account was hacked, and even if you've lost access to your email or phone. Let's get started. First, if your Instagram is still logged in on another device, like an old phone, a tablet, or your browser, here's what you should do. Open the Instagram app or website on the logged-in device. Go to your profile, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap Accounts Center. Now tap Password and Security. Tap Two-Factor Authentication. Select your Instagram account. Scroll down and tap Backup Codes. You'll now see your recovery codes. You can copy them, take a screenshot, or tap Get New Codes if needed. This is the easiest and fastest method, if you're still logged in somewhere. Now, what if you're locked out completely and don't have your backup codes? Here's what to do. Open the Instagram login screen. Enter your username and password. When asked for the two-factor authentication code, tap Try Another Way. Now you have two options to log in. First is using Authentication app, and other is through backup code. Since you don't have access to both of them, tap on Account Recovery link. Instagram will now guide you through a verification process. This could include submitting a selfie video, confirming old account details, or verifying your identity in other ways. Once Instagram confirms it's you, they'll send a recovery link to your email. This can take a few hours, or sometimes up to 48 hours. Be patient and check your inbox and spam folder carefully. If your account was hacked and someone changed your phone number or email, here's what to do. Go to instagram.com/hacked. Select My Instagram account was hacked. Follow the steps shown on the page. Instagram will ask for identity verification. This might include your old email, password, or a selfie video to prove you're the real owner. Once verified, you'll regain control of your account. Then you can reset your password and generate new backup codes. Once you're logged back in, don't forget to create new backup codes. Here's how. Open Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap the menu in the top right. Then tap Accounts Center. Go to Password and Security. Tap Two-Factor Authentication. Select your account. Scroll down and tap Backup Codes. You'll see a list of 8-digit codes. Save them in a secure place, like a password manager. Or write them down and store them somewhere safe. And that's it. That's how you recover your Instagram backup codes, whether you're still logged in or completely locked out, or even if your account was hacked. These methods actually work. If this helped you, give the video a like. Subscribe for more account recovery and tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I respond to everyone. Thanks for watching.